Years ago, the prominent Egyptian journalist Harin Heikal has published articles in Egyptian newspapers to warn the world and its people about what happens in Muslim countries. But what was it? Pointing to the Western economy, for example, especially the US, he claimed that only a major war that would generate at least $2 trillion could prevent the Western economy from collapsing because US and European banks are unable to pay profits of heavy deposits belonging to Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the UAE. That is why they need to generate a third Gulf War. He also said Saudis will attack Yemen, will drown in Yemen, and the latter will win. If this doesn't happen, get my corpse out of my tomb and bury it along with my writings. This is how Saudi Arabia attacked Yemen in 25th of March 2015, and airplanes from 5 countries of the Persian Gulf Cooperation Council, including Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain, also cooperated, along with Morocco, Egypt, Jordan, and Sudan. This attack and siege of the Saudi Arabia has led to a human crisis and a comprehensive famine in which cholera developed, and a vast destruction of the Yemeni historic heritage that dates back to 3,000 years ago. Soon after the Saudi attacks started, Yemenis also made it to strike back and punish Saudi encroachers and their allies with retaliatory attacks. In a recent development, the most important Saudi oil production plants were attacked by Yemeni drones that reduced production of this country to less than 50% and turned Saudi Arabia from an oil exporter to an oil importer. What do you think will happen?